Hi, welcome back to the channel of DS Gupta. Um, just in few days ago, I told you, I shared with you that I have chopped off my hair, but I think the feather look is there, but I want it more, you know. So I will quickly make a partition. Yeah, and what I'm gonna do is I will quickly see. This is what I was talking about. It's not straight, so I will make it straight. That's what I was trying to tell you. Yeah, it will shorten my hair more, but I want it. Similarly, I'm going to do it the other way. I got the layers, but I didn't get the feathers. So this is what I'm gonna do. Now if I want, I can actually do it here even and make it better feather. Similarly, here even I'm going to do the same. Since I am doing it from a very longer time, so I know how to do it. I got the feathers. Now what I'm again gonna do is what I did out there, I can do it here even. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to repeat it. Just take a bit of partition and you can see it's falling out. Anyways, you can see that it's not what it should be like. So we're gonna chop that off and make it straight. So my feather is done, and now what I'm gonna do is I really need a bit more fringes, so I'll show you how to do it. From this point and this point, I'm taking the hair again. I'm going to give it a twist, pull it down, Now I'm going to brush my hair totally. And you can see that the feathers are done really nice. So it's very easy. Try. Watch it again and again and then try it. I really hope you have enjoyed and learned something from this video. Please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Subscribe to my channel if you're newly watching it out. Bye. One more thing I just didn't felt like sharing at the initial stage of this video was that I use a clear clip for my layer cuttings and also rubber bands. There are tons of videos in YouTube, you will find it. I don't need to show you how a clear clip looks like. If you are new to the word, you can actually type it and I'll share it here. You can see this is a clear clip. So there are videos you can get your layers, but if you want a feather like me, then you can please follow the video the way I have done it. You can do it too. With short hair or long hair, it's the same. Why to give extra money to somebody from outside, and you can do it yourself with your kinda scissor. I'll see you next time. Bye.